Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told to solve the quadratic equation below. So we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. What I'm going to do in this video is to show you the limitation of using the factor method and how the formula method is more advantageous. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we are going to try to use the factor method to solve this quadratic equation. So let's solve together. We have solution. So the equation is 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, every quadratic equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means if we compare this and this, you discover that our a is equal to 3, our b is equal to 5, and our c is equal to minus 7. So this is very important. Now, when you want to use factor method, you're going to look for two numbers that will multiply themselves to give you AC, and those same two numbers will add themselves to give you B. Our AC is 3 multiplied by minus 7. That will give us minus 21. And our B is 5. So we're going to look for two numbers that will multiply themselves to give us minus 7, and those same two numbers will add themselves to give us 5. So this means we're going to look for two numbers that will multiply themselves to give us minus 21, and those same two numbers will add themselves to give us 5. So let's write the different sets of two numbers that will multiply themselves to give us minus 21. The first one is plus 1 multiplied by minus 21. We have minus 1 multiplied by plus 21. We also have plus 3 multiplied by minus 7 and minus 3 multiplied by plus 7. So these four sets of numbers can multiply themselves to give us minus 21. But can any of these groups add themselves to give us plus 5? Plus 1 minus 21 is going to give us minus 20. Minus 1 plus 21 is going to give us plus 20. Plus 3 minus 7 is going to give us minus 4. And minus 3 plus 7 is going to give us plus. So none of these four set of numbers will add themselves to give us 5. So in this situation, we cannot use factor method. Okay, since we do not have two sets of whole numbers that will multiply themselves to give us minus 21 and also add themselves to give us 5, we cannot continue with the factor method. So this is the limitation of using the factor method. But the formula method helps us to overcome this problem. So we are going to apply the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so we know that our a is 3, our b is 5, and our c is minus 7. So we substitute these values into this equation. So our b is plus 5, so we have minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 into our a is 3 multiplied by our c is minus 7, so minus 7 divided by 2. 2a is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so this will give us minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared will give us 25 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7 is going to give us minus 21. Okay, and minus 21 multiplied by 4 is going to give us plus 84. So divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 6. So 25 plus 81 is going to give us 109. So this will be minus 5 plus or minus square root of 109 all over 6. So what's square root of 109? Square root of 109 is 10.44. So this will mean minus 5 plus or minus 10.44 all over 6. So we are going to have two values for x. The first value is minus 5 plus 10.44 all over 6. And the second value is minus 5 minus 10.44 all over 6. So we have x is equal to minus 5 plus 10.44 all over 6, or minus 5 minus 10.44 all over 6. Okay, so this will mean x is equal to Minus 5 plus 10.44 divided by 6 is going to give us 0.9907, or x is equal to minus 5 minus 10.44 divided by 6 is going to give us minus 2.573. So these are the two values of x. In summary, whenever you have a situation where you cannot find two values that will multiply themselves to give us AC and also add themselves to give B, then all you need to do is switch over to formula method, because with factor method, it will be very difficult to find those two values. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.